If you're building a custom subwoofer box, the MDF you choose can make or break the finished enclosure. Today, I'm ranking the top 5 best MDF boards for custom subwoofer boxes, from the least impressive option all the way to my number 1 pick. I'm looking at thickness, sheet size, practicality, and how well each board fits real-world subwoofer enclosure projects. Starting at number 5 is the WOODNSHOP Medium Density Fiberboard. The 24 by 48 inch format gives you a useful amount of material for smaller custom boxes, and the 3/4 inch thickness is exactly what I want for a solid enclosure. It's thick enough for decent rigidity without making the box unnecessarily heavy. If you're building a basic sealed or compact ported enclosure, this is a straightforward option worth considering. At number 4, we have the Craft Closet MDF Wood Boards. These are much thinner at just 1/4 inch, so I wouldn't choose them for the main walls of a serious high-output subwoofer enclosure. Where they make more sense is for smaller projects, templates, trim pieces, braces, or decorative sections. The pack gives you multiple boards, which can be handy when you're working on detailed custom designs. Coming in at number 3 is the Cregugua 4-pack MDF Wood Boards. These are also 1/4 inch boards, but the veneered surface makes them interesting for projects where appearance matters. They're better suited to smaller enclosure components, trim work, or finishing details than the structural panels of a powerful subwoofer box. If you're combining MDF with other materials, these can give you some flexibility without buying a full sheet. Number 2 goes to the CalPalmy 8-pack MDF Boards. Again, this is 1/4 inch MDF, so I wouldn't use it as the primary material for a large subwoofer enclosure. The advantage here is quantity and manageable board size, making these useful for templates, smaller speaker projects, internal pieces, or custom fabrication work. They're particularly convenient when you don't need to handle or cut a large sheet. My number 1 pick is the DGwood 3/4 inch MDF board. That thickness gives you the rigidity I want for serious enclosure construction, while the 24 by 24 inch format is much easier to manage than a full-size sheet. For custom subwoofer boxes, I prefer 3/4 inch MDF for the main panels because it provides a strong, stable foundation when properly assembled and braced. If you're building around a demanding subwoofer, this is the one I'd put at the top of the list. Check the description box for the Amazon links to all 5 MDF options featured in this list. Just remember, the best board depends on your enclosure size and design, so don't choose based on thickness alone. Now I want to hear from you. What subwoofer are you building a box for, and what kind of board are you using? Drop your setup in the comments, hit the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more car audio build tips and product breakdowns.